We're gonna go take these massive tractor things to the beach.
Watch out.
How's it going, squad? We got a pretty fun shoot coming up for UWOWI Water Sports. They made a speaker, so me and Eddie are gonna go film that. They just sent us a bunch of pool toys, so we're gonna open up all those pool toys, go meet up with Eddie and see what we got, maybe play with them a little bit. We out here, we got this shoot, so we're gonna unbox all of these boxes.
Inflatable stand-up paddles.
Yeah, inflatable stand-up paddles, inflatable wheels, inflatable dildos.
Inflatable everything.
Yeah, inflatable everything.
Inflatable.
All right, we're gonna see what's in these boxes. Tons of inflatables. Couldn't go cut my finger off, huh? I like how it's got a cool backpack, so I can wear it. I can be really cool.
Whoa!
Go down to the beach.
Those are cool.
Go down to the beach with my
Dude.
paddle. Ready to go paddle. Got my paddle. One.
UWOWI Water Sports Love Lounge.
Yeah. Sexy. Look at those two ladies.
Ladies not included.
All right. Beer pong tables. Good.
This is gonna be such a sick project.
Yeah, this is gonna be fun. Water lounge.
Yeah.
It's electric pump. Stupid me, I kind of almost thought we were gonna be blowing these all up with our mouth. Good thing there's a pump.
We are.
All right, far out. So yeah, we opened up all the toys. We don't have the water wheel yet. Hopefully that thing will show up. It's basically this gigantic tractor. So yeah, we're gonna go, what do you think? Take the paddleboards out just to the pool? Give them a little test run?
Pool, yeah. Paddleboard pool run.
Yeah, paddleboard pool run. Pool.
It's a lesson.
I'm a genius. There's one side is deflate and the other side is inflate. We had it on the deflate side. All right, rad, we're inflated. Surfing, surfing in the USA. Surfing. Oh, wow! Wow!
I'm a big girl, baby. Now why you acting so shady lately? You don't need to babysit me. Arigato little dude. Gotta find another you. Yes, someone new. I'm about to steal a car on my way to a random bar. I'm on Columbus, cause he went too far. I'm a big girl, baby. Don't protect me from the big world, baby.
I'm not risking these anymore. No. The train, pick up some crew, and then film some pretty people in a pool. Do one straight behind me, and then do one from the side.
Like hard?
Yeah, mash it in there.
Because this thing floats.
Yeah, just don't hit me in the back of the fucking head.
Duck your head down a little. 1, 2, 3. Day of the life.
Yep. Just another day of filming.
Oh, flip that hair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sexy.
Oh, it's so pink. Oh.
No, we're gonna go take these massive tractor things to the beach.
Watch out for these people.
And try and catch some waves. I saw them. I'm not gonna go running over people, Eddie.
Just mow over a whole team, a crew of bikers.
Oops.
trying to get the shot.
How's it going, fam? How's it going, squad? Yeah, how's it going, squad? The squad, the fam.
Oh, look
Marks.
at the fam.
You want to race, dude?
You want to race, bro?
You don't have this.
You're going down.
You're not ready, bro. You're not ready.
Are you snapping too?
Snap on fleek. All right, so we're headed to Escondido Beach. So Escondido is this little like pocket in between these two houses where there's no lifeguards or anything, because you're not allowed to bring floaty devices into the ocean. So yeah, Snapchat. So this is the beach right here, right? Yeah. You guys have to park behind that Toyota. I'm just parking here for a second to unload shit. That is insane. Oh my god. So the inverter wouldn't work on the truck, so we used power at this church to fill up the inflatables inside the car to then bring them to the beach.
So
Let's do this really quick. We might as well, we can get something out of this for now while we're trying to, Eddie's trying to find out. It's really crazy out here, huh?
yeah.
What, right up against the wall there? Is it breezy over there? You're right up against that.
What's the scoop, dude?
I'm just gonna get some speaker shots. I'm just gonna film some speaker stuff while we're figuring out the tractor situation.
Right, Deflategate.
Yeah. Hopefully the repair patches even work.
Yeah. Where's Eddie?
Eddie's trying to find power.
Below my feet.
I'm wondering if we want to just
And the days feel a little bit longer now, and the morning's bright.
All right, day one's basically done filming for WOW. You know, we only lost a little bit of the product, but we didn't lose the speaker, so we're gonna be just fine. Everything's gonna be just fine.
We escape now and leave this place. I hope heaven has another open door for us when the days get late. Day 2.
Paid. Getting paid.
This is what we're doing. I thought we were at boats.
We will be later.
Yeah. No, these are for the pool.
Yeah. Yeah, shoot.
Baby, just let me go. And say, light it up, light it up. And say, light it up. Baby, just let me go. And say, light it up, light it up. And say, light it up.
Max, can I get you right here? He's gonna jump and do a flip into the pool.
Baby, just let me go. And say, light it up, light it up. And say, light it up. Baby, just let me go. And say, light it up, light it up. And say, light it up.
All right, fam, we out here. We're gonna be filming on a speedboat for the last day of the WOW Water Sports Action thing. I got Jeremy in the background screwing up my vlog. We got Steve is here with his drone. Valter is loaning us the boat. Super sick. This is gonna be pretty rad.
7:05 Sunset Drive. That'll be a good time.
How's it going there about this nice pair of specs you got there? Yeah, cheers, bud. Yeah, good shoot.
Well, I tried to call you up 'cause I'm feeling alone, but my minutes ran out.